Explore the vibrant beauty of spring. Best places to visit. Welcome to a journey through the vibrant tapestry of springtime destinations. As the world awakens from the slumber of winter, nature bursts forth in a riot of colors and scents, offering a multitude of breathtaking locations to explore. Join us as we uncover some of the most enchanting destinations to visit during this rejuvenating season. Number 14. Cherry Blossom Spectacles. Spring wouldn't be complete without the mesmerizing beauty of cherry blossoms. Japan's cherry blossom season, known as Hanami, draws millions of visitors each year to witness the delicate pink and white blooms adorning parks, gardens, and streets. From the iconic sights of Tokyo's Ueno Park to the tranquil landscapes of Kyoto's Philosopher's Path, immerse yourself in the ethereal charm of these fleeting blossoms. Number 13. Tulip Extravaganzas. The Netherlands transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors during spring, with its renowned tulip fields in full bloom. Embark on a scenic drive through the Dutch countryside, where endless rows of vibrant tulips stretch as far as the eye can see. The Keukenhof Gardens, often referred to as the Garden of Europe, showcase millions of tulips alongside daffodils, hyacinths, and other spring blooms, creating a sensory feast for visitors. Number 12. Alpine Retreats. Escape to the crisp mountain air and verdant valleys of the Alps for a springtime retreat. Switzerland's picturesque villages, framed by snow-capped peaks and meadows ablaze with wildflowers, offer the perfect setting for outdoor adventures. Whether hiking amidst alpine flora or enjoying leisurely strolls along scenic trails, immerse yourself in the tranquility and natural beauty of the Swiss Alps. Number 11. Mediterranean Idyls. The Mediterranean beckons with its temperate climate and sun-kissed landscapes, making it an ideal destination for springtime escapades. Explore the coastal charm of Italy's Amalfi Coast, where pastel-hued villages cling to rugged cliffs overlooking the Azure Sea. Indulge in delectable cuisine, stroll through lemon groves, and bask in the Mediterranean sunshine as you savor the delights of La Dolce Vita. Number 10. Floral Havens. Spring unveils a tapestry of floral wonders in botanical gardens around the world. From the historic beauty of London's Kew Gardens to the tropical splendor of Singapore's gardens by the bay, these verdant sanctuaries offer a feast for the senses. Lose yourself amidst a riot of colors and fragrances as you wander through lush landscapes, tranquil ponds, and intricately designed flower displays. Number 9. Cultural Capitals. Springtime heralds the arrival of outdoor festivals and cultural celebrations in cities across the globe. From the vibrant festivities of Spain's Feria de Abril to the cherry blossom-inspired events of Washington, D.C.'s National Cherry Blossom Festival, immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of local traditions and customs. Experience the joyous atmosphere of street parades, live music, and culinary delights as communities come together to welcome the season. Number 8. Coastal Charms. Embrace the allure of coastal destinations, where sparkling seas and pristine beaches beckon weary travelers. From the rugged beauty of California's Big Sur to the idyllic shores of Greece's Cyclades Islands, coastal regions offer a rejuvenating escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Bask in the warmth of the sun, feel the sand between your toes, and let the soothing sound of the waves wash away your cares. Number 7. Alpine Adventures. The arrival of spring breathes new life into alpine landscapes, making it an ideal time for outdoor enthusiasts to explore mountainous regions. Whether skiing on lingering snow or hiking through meadows dotted with wildflowers, embrace the sense of exhilaration that comes with being surrounded by towering peaks and pristine wilderness. From the Rocky Mountains of North America to the Swiss Alps of Europe, let the majesty of the mountains inspire your next adventure. Enchanting Woodlands. Spring breathes new life into forests and woodlands, transforming them into enchanting wonderlands filled with fresh greenery, blooming wildflowers, and vibrant bird songs. From the ancient moss-covered trees of the Pacific Northwest to the bluebell woods of England's countryside, immerse yourself in the tranquility and magic of these natural sanctuaries. Take leisurely walks along wooded trails, listen to the gentle rustle of leaves, and let the beauty of nature rejuvenate your spirit. Number 5. Blossoming Orchards. Spring heralds the arrival of blossoming orchards, where fruit trees burst into bloom. painting the landscape with shades of pink, white, and soft pastels. Explore the orchard-lined valleys of regions such as Provence in France or the Hood River Valley in Oregon, where cherry, apple, and pear blossoms create a picturesque scene against the backdrop of rolling hills and mountains. Savor the sweet fragrance of blossoms in the air and indulge in farm-fresh produce straight from the source. Number 4. Wildlife reserves. Spring is a time of renewal and rebirth in wildlife reserves around the world, as animals emerge from hibernation and migratory birds return to their nesting grounds. Embark on a safari adventure in Africa's Serengeti or witness the annual migration of monarch butterflies in Mexico's sanctuaries. Whether tracking elusive big cats or observing nesting sea turtles, experience the thrill of encountering wildlife in its natural habitat against the backdrop of stunning landscapes. Number 3. Tranquil lakeside retreats. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life with a tranquil lakeside retreat, where the serene beauty of glistening waters and verdant surroundings beckons weary souls. From the crystal-clear lakes of the Canadian Rockies to the peaceful shores of Italy's Lake Como, immerse yourself in the soothing rhythm of nature. Indulge in leisurely boat rides, lakeside picnics, and scenic hikes along the shoreline as you embrace the peace and tranquility of lakeside living. Number 2. Blossoming gardens. Springtime transforms public and private gardens into vibrant showcases of botanical beauty, where meticulously curated landscapes burst into bloom with a dazzling array of flowers and foliage. Explore the formal gardens of England's stately homes, the Zen-inspired landscapes of Japan's traditional tea gardens, or the whimsical displays of sculptures and fountains in Italy's Renaissance gardens. Lose yourself in the artistry of landscape design and find inspiration amidst the ever-changing tapestry of colors and textures. Number 1. Coastal wildlife sanctuaries. Coastal regions serve as vital habitats for a diverse array of marine and bird species, making them prime destinations for wildlife enthusiasts in spring. Explore tidal marshes, estuaries, and coastal wetlands teeming with life, from shorebirds and seabirds to seals, dolphins, and whales. Embark on guided eco-tours or birdwatching expeditions to observe wildlife in their natural habitat and gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of coastal ecosystems. As we conclude our journey through the best places to visit in spring, we invite you to embark on your own adventure and discover the wonders of this enchanting season. Whether you're drawn to the delicate beauty of cherry blossoms, the vibrant colors of tulip fields, or the cultural festivities of bustling cities, spring offers endless opportunities for exploration and rejuvenation. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips. And until next time, happy travels!